everyone, my name is Jenny.
My name is Aaron.
And my name is Devin, and we built Next Level.
Construction management requires extensive research on properties. However, a lot of this research is done manually using an Excel spreadsheet. Much of this is busy work. Our solution is Next Level. Next Level is an automated property data aggregation and analysis platform you can use directly on Monday. Next Level offers features such as machine learning detection of anomalies, a map view to visualize properties, one-touch click to add potential properties, 3D CAD model to upload and share with the team, and data visualization. Monday is the complete package for construction managers, real estate agents, home buyers, and more.
What you doing?
Just 100 hours of data collection.
But didn't you see the new Next Level Monday integration?
What's that?
Here, let me show you. Instead of searching and copying data from MLS providers to Excel, you can just use the Next Level data aggregation integrations to automatically fetch housing info like pricing history, lot value, rent estimation, neighborhood scores, and more. Just type an address. And if you're doing general research on location, just search for the neighborhood or city and fetch dozens of property listings. And that's how you do it.
Well, I still have to wait for the numbers guy to get back to me.
Monday handles all of that too, from data visualizations to even complex machine learning models. You can visualize property data with beautiful pricing history graphs. Search for the diamond in the rough with the anomaly detection map. It uses machine learning to factor in every variable so you can easily find cheap properties and ignore overpriced properties, sorted by color. You can even keep in touch with your architects and engineers and review CAD models directly in Monday with Next Level. Upload your engineer's CAD models to Monday and view it right there in the browser. You can even write and save annotations on a model. And the 3D viewer automatically calculates the cost of your model based on its size and materials.
Wow, thanks. Next Level will save me hundreds of hours.